Lee's classic 1976 TV play, Nuts in May, with its deadpan humour, misfit characters, and acute consciousness of class.
What are you doing? Mind your own business. You're not making a fire, are you? What's it got to do with you? Just remind you that open fires are not allowed here. Who says?
Did you go to a private school?
It's totally irrelevant, but yes.
Yeah, I thought so. It's the tone, it's the entitlement you got.
I'm entitled to walk in the countryside.
Yeah.
That's home to a dog excrement.
In both cases, a holiday